Hey everyone, this is Wes over at Deepwater Detail in Hanover. Question we get asked often is what coating options do we offer? So first I'll make a disclaimer. These year ratings that you see are they're an up to, so like up to 3 years, up to 5 years, because you have to properly maintain the coating to ensure that it does last this number of years. Otherwise, if you don't maintain it properly, it won't last. So first we have a 3-year entry-level option using, it is Gyeon Flash. So that is a 3-year professional grade coating that we offer, and it's a single layer, so it has 5-star durability, 5-star gloss, 3-star beading, and 4-star self-cleaning. So it's a great entry-level option if you're looking to keep your vehicle, if you lease or own your vehicle for a short number of time, so if you own it for like 3 years. Our mid-tier options that we have is a 5-year and a 7-year coating. So this is a 2-layer product. So we have, for a 5-year, it's 1 layer base and 1 layer of the top coat. And then for our 7 years, we do 2 layers of the base coat and then 1 layer of the top coat. And as far as durability goes, 5 stars for durability, 5 stars for gloss, 6 stars for beading, so it beads really well, and self-cleaning is 5 stars as well. So this option, our mid-tier option, is great if you keep your vehicle for a bit longer, 5 to 7 years, and it is an extremely durable coating that provides excellent gloss and shine and makes your vehicle easy to clean, of course. Then lastly, our top end, we have our lifetime program. So this actually is a program where we see your vehicle for every 6 months, and this is a one and done deal. So you purchase the program and then we see your vehicle every 6 months, no extra charge. So as far as this coating goes, it is also 3 layers of base, 1 of top coat. 3 layers of base, 1 of top coat. And then as far as durability, it's about all the same, except the self-cleaning ability is a bit better than 5 to 7 years. So self-cleaning means it's going to help you keep your vehicle easier to clean in that sense. So those are the 3 tiers that we have. So once again, 3 years, up to 3 years when maintained properly, up to 5 years, or up to 7 years when maintained properly. And then with this lifetime program, we're seeing your vehicle every 6 months. We're going to put in that work to maintain the vehicle, maintain the coating, and make sure that it does last the entire time you own it. So with that, there's the coating options we offer, and if you have any other questions, shoot us a message.